Breaking update coming in right now on the broadcast in connection to Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. A big setback for him. Kejriwal will continue in ED custody and his ED custody has been extended till April 1. This is the breaking update that we're getting right now on the broadcast. The court has extended Delhi CM's ED custody. The ED had sought 7 days, but now they've gotten 4-day remand of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. Now, this is, of course, the Rouse Avenue Court that we're talking about. The Rouse Avenue Court's special judge who has remanded Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal to Enforcement Directorate's custody till 1st April. Of course, Arvind Kejriwal had put out his own defense, stating that he has been only mentioned 4 times in 4 statements in the 31,000-page documentation that the ED had submitted. But, of course, the court not taking this, and the ED also had put out information that Arvind Kejriwal was not cooperating with the probe and that they need some more time to interrogate him with the material evidence that has been gathered so far, given the fact that he had already skipped 9 summons, he was not cooperating with the probe, and he was also not directly answering the questions that were being asked by the ED officials. And now finally the court has decided that Arvind Kejriwal will continue to be in ED remand at least till April 1. ED had in fact sought 7 days ED remand, but the court has now given them a 4-day remand as well. Earlier also the court had initially demanded a 10-day remand, but they were given 6 days, which completed today. And Arvind Kejriwal now will continue to be in ED remand. This is the big breaking update coming in right now. This also, of course, raises a lot of question on the future of Arvind Kejriwal as the Delhi CM, as his custody remains extended. Bhavtosh joins us on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Bhavtosh, a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. Of course, he had put out his own defense, stating that the evidence that the ED was quoting to keep him to extend his remand was just not enough to arrest a sitting chief minister. But clearly there, the court has now decided that they will be granting ED some more time to interrogate Arvind Kejriwal with the material evidence that is on hand.
Yes, in fact, ED has managed to get 4 more days custody of Arvind Kejriwal, and he will be produced before the court at on 1st of April at around 11:30. ED in its latest remand note had mentioned that they need his further custodial remand, primarily on the grounds that they want to confront him with certain statements that they have recorded during this period of custodial remand, including the statement of 3 individuals who were summoned here. Importantly, they had also called in for questioning some AAP workers and also the president of Aam Aadmi Party Goa unit on the grounds that the proceeds of crime, as far as this case is concerned, around 45 crore rupees was spent on the election campaign when AAP for the first time had fought the election in Goa. They had in fact summoned 4 of these individuals, including the AAP president of Goa. Arvind Kejriwal in fact for the first time spoke to the court as well as to the media. In the court he had said that there is nothing in this case, that he has been falsely implicated in this case. He had also in fact drew a parallel with the electoral bonds that have been purchased by Sharath Reddy. He said that first Sharath Reddy was arrested in this case, and later he in fact purchased electoral bonds worth at least 50 crore rupees. And he also said that while in fact he was entering the courtroom, he had said that this arrest is illegal, that Janta Jawab Degi, that public will answer. And this is coming at a time when Delhi High Court in fact dismissed a PIL which had said that court should in fact dismiss him as a chief minister, primarily because of the fact that he is giving certain orders while still being in the police custody. So Arvind Kejriwal will be produced before the court on 1st of April at around 11:30 in the morning, and ED has got an extended custodial remand as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned.